A lot of IT investment is based on cost benefit. Of course, we have to contrast the cost of a service against the benefits that service will provide. Now, the problem with this is that how do we calculate cost? Very often you can, for example, buy a car and say, what's it going to cost for me to buy a car? Well, the cost is not only the initial purchase price and the initial licensing, taxes, and so on, but also if I have to pay for parking. What's it now going to cost me every month for parking? What's going to cost me every month for gas, insurance? So the cost quite often can be calculated in different ways. And one of the errors that's sometimes made is to have made an investment in something that, yes, I could pay for the initial purchase price, but we could not justify the ongoing operational cost as well. I have to ensure that when we've looked at an IT investment, we understand what's going to be the ongoing licensing, maintenance, training, what's going to be the impact on operations of this investment, which is often considerably more than just the initial purchase price. The other difficulty is that we have to then look at benefits. Now, benefits themselves related to performance, productivity, customer satisfaction, reduction in operating costs. Well, how do you calculate, in some cases, the value of customer satisfaction? Some things are easy to put money values on. Other things are much more difficult. The difference between what we'll often call quantitative, monetary figures, and qualitative, which looks at things such as customer satisfaction, employee morale. We have to be able to try to calculate benefits in a very realistic manner. What will this benefit the organization? What will it do to improve the reputation of the organization? In some cases, having this new technology is not necessarily about saving money, but it's putting us in that position of being a leader, of being an innovator, where people look at us and see the leadership that our organization can now provide. So the calculation of benefits also should be done with a certain amount of, should we say, creativity. Not in the creativity in the way to fudge the figures, but creativity in thinking about more than just what it costs us in dollars, should we say, in the benefits realized. In all of this, we will be able to justify IT investment based on return on investment. Some organizations have clear guidelines. Every project must pay for itself within such a length of time. And that's where the benefits, again, have to be then calculated over time, just as cost is calculated over time. We should be able to show to management whether or not the case study that was used and the feasibility that was provided to them truly was based on accurate, should we say, meaningful values. And whether or not this IT investment truly is something which is then justified through then the benefits that will be realized.